Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to create a tracker and attach your EOCA and your DFA to that tracker. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go up here to these three little dots and we will create a new tracker. We'll go ahead and create that from a standard set. The curriculum maps that are attached to ours are no longer the Idaho standards. They're based on the old CCSS standards, so we want to make sure we use the standard set. We're going to change our subject over to language arts. Our core is going to be the Idaho Content Standards 2022. Your class will be the grade level that you want to do. I'm going to put 11-12 for mine. And then you type in a name for it, and you can select a color for it as well. Then it'll ask you to add the students individually, but you want to go down here and hit import students from SIS and then select the class that this applies to. Okay. There are two of the same, so there's an English 12 O'Connor 3AB 31, and then you'll see another one of those down here. These are for the two different semesters. So we want to make sure that we pick the correct semester. It's hard to tell sometimes, especially when they have the same number like this, and it's really unfortunately a guessing game. So just pick one, go with it. If it turns out to be the wrong one, you can always switch it over later. Okay, so we're going to hit create, and it will make that eventually. And we now have our tracker. Okay, so the EOCAs will populate automatically, so you'll be able to just find one of those here and then hit assess. Okay, as you can see, I've already done it with this class, so I don't need to have this again. Okay, so you just hit there, then hit assess, and that will give you the test ID that you give to the students. The students have to go to the student.masteryconnect.com, and that's where they can take the test. Now, for your DFAs, you will need to go up to assessments, and then you're going to search for assessments. All of these are labeled the same thing, ELA 12th in my case, and you'll see that purple check mark. That means it's a district approved assessment. Okay, it should be created by me, James O'Connor, and then you're just going to look for the one that applies to your quarter. So I have my quarter 1 DFA here. I'm going to add that to my tracker, and then I'm going to select all the trackers that this applies to, and I'm going to hit add. And now it'll bring me to one of those trackers. My assessment's built there. If we are looking at the main page, then we're not necessarily going to see it as this bar thing sometimes. Sometimes it'll be hidden as with this one. Okay, so, but for right now, it is showing up as this bar, so we can just go ahead and click on that and then get my assessment code from there. Thank you.